Do you know who jumped from the edge of space? In 2012, Felix Baumgartner did something absolutely insane. He took a helium balloon all the way up to the stratosphere, reaching 39 kilometers, 24 miles above Earth. And then he jumped. Wearing a specially designed spacesuit, he free fell at supersonic speed, breaking the sound barrier with just his body, faster than the speed of sound. For 4 minutes and 20 seconds, he was plummeting through space, reaching a speed of 1,357 kilometers per hour, 843 miles per hour, before finally deploying his parachute and landing safely. This was the first ever human supersonic freefall, a mind-blowing moment in history. Would you dare to take this leap? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more crazy facts, blast off sparkles. This video includes clips from Red Bull, used for educational and informational purposes. Full credit to them. Thank you for watching and supporting my content. Your engagement keeps me going. See you in the next one.
Black sky back to blue sky. If you look at the right corner, Luke was dropping some flares and it gives me the perfect direction for the wind. Now this is a very important moment. Very first time after hours and hours, happy because even the landing worked just perfect.